Hey guys, so just doing a quick demo playthrough of the game I've been working on. So right now this is just kind of a blocked out level that I've got. Did have all of the sorry, I was waiting for all the explosions to stop. So did have this set up so it was using all of like the Unreal's pre-made stuff, Paragon characters and things like that. But I decided to, or not decided to, but I finally got some of the characters made, like the droids that are running around. Got those put together in Blender. Same with the weapons, the one that I'm using and that they're running around with. Those are both made in Blender, so I thought I'd just kind of play this map and see how it goes. So one of the things on this level is we've got turrets that are showing up, which they're spawning now. So the goal is to kind of, the turrets pick a random enemy as we're going through, and they'll just continuously shoot them until they die. So let's see, so far I made it to wave number 3. So we've got the animations working where you can, oh shit. Well, so you can see we got the animations working. There's not really an end or anything. It's just as many waves as you can kill until the end. Yeah, so that's kind of where we're at. Right now I'm working on actually getting the arena built in Blender. So that'll probably be the next thing I work on.